Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class. Subject mathematics and the topic is operation on numbers. So in this one the subtopic is multiplication, which is up to the 5-digit numbers by the 3-digit number multiplication. So this video is lecture, and after this one we are going to see some examples to understand exactly the multiplication. So while multiplying any number with another number, we have to make some segregation, means categorically. The number which is getting multiplied, we are saying that one is the multiplier, okay, and which is multiplied, so that called the multiplicand, okay. Means this 6 is multiplying and this 3425 is a multiplier, means this get multiplied, okay. So that's why there are the terms we can say in a nomenclature wise. So this multiplier and this multiplicand, okay, and after this multiplication we get the some another number, okay. So that is called the product, okay, of these two numbers, means product of the multiplier and the multiplicand. Some rules are there. If we multiply any number by the 0, the product is always be 0. This is very important, okay. And if you multiply by any number by the 1, so the product is always be that number itself. From the term multiplier, multiplicand and the product, if we are know any two out of these three, we can find out the third one, okay. Means suppose multiplier and the product we know, so in that case we can find out the multiplicand, okay. But for this one we have to use the another operation, means like division also, okay. So or we can say we have to know that what product has to be multiplier or what number has to be multiplier, so that we can get this same product. So as per that logic also we can find out, but the best way is the division is the case. So that's why multiplication and the division both are somewhat be correlated, okay. So now in this topic we are going to see only the multiplication. Next subtopic will be the division. That time we are going to see division also. So concentrate on this multiplication only. So here some examples showing 45,391. So this is a, we can say, the multiplier, and the multiplicand in this case 135. Now how to multiply this one? So first we will concentrate on this unit place, okay. We are going to multiplicand from the multiplicand number, okay. So 5, so 5 multiply by this one also, 5 multiply by this one also, 5 multiply by this one also, 5 multiply by this one, means all the places we will multiply by 5, means 5 multiply by this unit, okay. Then 5 multiply by this tens place, then this unit, and this place digit with multiplication, or this place means 100 place, like this one. Every digit, or we can say every place digit, we will multiply with this unit numbers, okay. After this one we will start to multiply by with this digit, but this digit we will consider as a single digit, okay. We will not consider 35 or 30 something, okay. Only this one. For this one we will add 10 here, okay. So in a first case, while multiplying with unit place, we will make this multiplication, we will note down like this one, okay. So suppose here 5 multiply by 1, 5 is here, okay, there is no any carry. So 5 multiply by 9, there is a 45, so 5 here, 4 will be in a carrying, so we will keep that 4 in a mind. Now 5 multiply by with next digit is the, or we can say the next place values is the hundreds place value. So hundreds place value, there is a digit 3, so 5 multiply by with this 3, that is a 15. 15 plus that 4 carry, so that will comes the 19. So 9 will be here and 1 will be in carry, so that 1 will keep it in mind. Then next digit is a 5, so 5 multiply by this 5, 25 plus that 1 carry, so that comes the 26. So 6 will be here and 2 will be carry for the next multiplication. So 5 multiply by with this next place value, which is the having the digit 4, so 5 multiply by this 4, 20 plus this 2, so that comes the 22. There is no another number, so we will keep it this 22 as it is, okay. So this multiplication from this single digit is completed. After this one, below this unit place we will keep 10, okay, because we are going to multiply with the tens digit, okay. So tens means on a 10 there is a 10, okay. So this 10 we will add it here, or we can say we can multiply, make it empty also, or some persons are making some cross like this one, but mostly keep the 0 as it is. Okay, means that is the meaning of that. We are multiply by this number by the 30, means this tens place. Okay, but here 5 already were done, means we are making this place value means 30 we are considering. Okay, so already we make the 0 here. Now only concentrate on this single digit. Okay, no need to think about the tens place, or we can say the 30, only this. Now 3 multiply by with this 1, 3 ones are 1. Now 3 multiply by this 9, 27. So 2 here, 7 here, 2 will be carry in mind. Now 3 multiply by 3, 9, 9 plus that 2, that will come the 11. So 1 will here and 1 will keep in mind. Now 3 multiply by 5, 15, 15 plus that 1, 16. So 6 will here and 1 will carry for the next multiplication, means 3 multiply by 4, 12, 12 plus 1, that comes the 13. There is no another digit, so 13 we will keep at it as it is. Now after this tens digit we will move to the hundreds digits. Now here 100 means on a 100 place, how many places means, or we can say the digits are there behind that one, there are the two, means 1 units and the tens, but we are only concentrating on this place value. So on this one place value is the 100, so 100 means this like this one. Okay, means two zeros are there, but we are multiplying with a digit only, so this 20 we will keep it here. Okay, and now we will concentrate only on a digit. So this 1 multiply by 1, 1, then 1 multiply by 9, 9, 1 multiply by 3, 3, 1 multiply by 5, 5, 1 multiply by 4, 4 as it is. Okay, we know this is the multiplications property, that any number we can divide multiply with 1, that number itself is a product. Okay, now we are making everything, or we are arranging every numbers in one upon below or another one. Okay, means unit place or tens place or 100 places, all these units are keep it in one below another. Okay, so now after this one we are to make the additions all these products. Okay, so like this vertical additions here, 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5, then 5 plus 3 plus 0, it becomes the 8, like this one. We are making all these additions. Okay, and the last whatever the number after this addition, this is the product of this complete multiplication of these two numbers. So in this one, this is the multiplication method. Okay, and in this one, these are the three rows of this individual multiplications of these digits. Okay, so we can say this is the multiplying by the 3 unit. Okay, this is the multiplying row by the 3 unit, this is the multiplying by the row of the 1 unit, like this one. Okay, this is the 5 unit, then 3 unit, then 1 unit, like this one. Okay, so this is the complete method of this multiplication. So please, um, if you understand, if you not understand this method, please re-watch this one and re-listening. If you cannot understand this complete method, please rewind this one, or we can say from the starting, please listen and please watch this one. Okay, so this is very important for the multiplication of the bigger digit numbers. Okay, so this example is up to the 5 digit with a 3 digit, but in our this topic we are making 7 digit multiply by with 3 digit. The same method is there. Okay, so for understanding the concepts and the fundamentals, I think this example is a very good one. Now we are going to see some properties of this multiplication. So commutative property, this is the very important. Commutative means what exactly? Commutative means either we can say, or we can say the moving around. Okay, means something, suppose this is a one example, 7 multiply by 8 multiply by 11 multiply by 2. Now this is a sequence. Okay, now if we change this sequence, or we can say we are making a moving of this any multiplication changes, means something not by the 7 multiply by 8 or 8 then multiply by 11 and then multiply by 2. We can any number if we are multiplying with another sequence also, means directly 7 multiply by 2, or we can say 11 multiply by 2, that product multiply with 8 and then 7, anything, means sequence. We are changing the sequence of this complete multiplication. Till that one the product is the same. Okay, means here the shown the sequence is here, the product is coming this one. After the changing the sequence, till the product is same, so the final product will be the same. it does not change. Okay, if we are changing the, we can say, the sequence of this numbering. Okay, in a only multiplication. Okay, there is no any operation, this is only about the multiplication. So this property saying, if we are changing the order of the number of the multiplication, the final product will be the same. It does not change the product. Okay, this is very important. The next one is the associative property of the multiplication. Means that one, if there is a associative, means like a grouping, making the grouping, or we can say like the connection, or we can say the like joining of something. Okay, now here 7 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 11. Now in this one, first we will calculate this product and then multiply by with the 11. This is also sequence, you will get this product. If we multiply by this 8 multiplied by 11, okay, this one, and after this product find outing, then multiply by with this 7, till that product will be the same. Means the product will not be changed if we multiply by with a, in any grouping, or we can say any numbering. Okay, or we can say any connections in multiplication, so the product will be remain the same. That is the main associative property. Then multiplicative identity property. If we multiply by any number by the 1, the product will always be same that number. This is very simple. If we multiply by 12 multiply by 1, product will be the 12. If we multiply 7 by the 1, the product will be the 7, like it, as it is. Means we are multiply by with 1, the product will be the same that number. Okay, so this property saying the product will be the same after multiply by with 1. Then zero property of multiplication. If you multiply any number by the 0, the product will be the 0. This is very important. This is one's multiplication and this is zero's multiplication. Okay, if we multiply by with a 0, the product will be the 0. Okay, so this is very simple. Now multiply by 10. If you multiply by 10, means that 0 will be the added at the unit place. Okay, means like here here the 63 unit place is the 3, and tens place is the 6. Okay, after 10 multiplication, the 0 will be added at the unit place and the 3 will be shifted to the next place. Okay, means likewise this 630, means we can say in a power of the 10. Power of the 10 means this is only 10, so after this one the 10 will be added. Okay, then multiply by with the 79 with 100, the 2 zeros here, so same that will be keep it in a numbering wise. Okay, means tens and the unit place. Then 9 and the 7 will be moving to the higher places. Okay, likewise for the same thousand also, here the three zeros for the on a thousand, so in a thousand there are the three zeros, so this will be a, we will add it after the 37, means we will keep this 30 after 37, means 3 and 7 will move to the higher places. Okay, and this 0 will maintain the 100, tens and the unit places respectively. Okay, so this is a like a multiplication of the 10, or we can say 100, or any in terms of the power of the 10.